amazing also today on the 20th of March 2023 we have Ulvilantie Ulfsbyvägen 15 steps A here in Munkkivuori Munkkivuori, close to Munkkivuori Munkkivuori here in Helsinki, Finland with 8 floors. I think the best day is 3 versus the vagrants in Swedish and Finnish as it should be here. Maybe the baseball is left, let's see. I love that other type of a bundle. It's the original one.
Yeah.
It was built in 1958, turning 65 years old this year, 2023, and the December 67, 655. And maybe it's not, but it's in Swedish and Finnish here as inside us.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. It will also be inspected this year in 2023. 3 rides. Amazing, I love the smell.
Same here.
This must have also been finished in late 1958 because it has the MP6 interior.
Yeah. Inspected by lifting student, maintained by Spawn Hissi. Yeah.
With this white, so it's different, typical from that time.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great, but still.
Mm.
Very interesting. Could have also been the more rare phonics that with the round
Yeah.
circle, but it's also very amazing. It looks like the floor is original.
Yeah.
Let's go for a third ride. It really deserves it. Some of these have for icke-alena, this hearsay alena.
Yeah.
This one must have been changed sometime
Yeah.
in the 70s or 80s, but this is original.
Mm.
Back to the first floor. floor number for the basement floors and also in the buildings.
Yeah.
I said thank you very much.
That's